How to create the Facebook business page. Let's head over right here to our three lines. Click on this pages right here, and then click on this create option. Click on this get started, and then just put in here the page name. So for example, we are actually a nail tech, so put in here nails co, and from there click on this next. Then you can put in here the category of your business. So I choose in here beauty and cosmetic as well as health and beauty. Click on create right here. And then after you have done that, this will actually create your page for you. So a page is actually determined if it's a business page or a personal page through this part right here. So let's click on this promote your product, because if you promote your product, you have a business. But if you create content and connect with fans, you're actually a personal page. Let's click on this promote your product and click on continue, and then just set up your page as usual through this particular part. So that's how you create a Facebook business page. Hope we help.